to close our section, we are going to be creating a base application which will be utilized for our last section where we will tie together all of our learnings that we've had from each of our individual sections. Within this base application, we're going to learn how to add in additional drop downs. We're going to put a little bit more flavor into it for looking at multiple securities. So instead of having us just study one, we're going to learn how to iterate through and make sure that we can grab multiple and find potentially ones that have better buying opportunities than the single stocks that we want to study. We're going to create multiple tables, we're going to create multiple graphics, we're going to have our Dash app update with manual callbacks and automatic callbacks. We're going to go through quite a few things here to really tie it all together into a generic application that we can utilize to later add our brokerage links and our final iterations to for our trading assistant. So with that, let's go ahead and jump over to our base application notebook.